Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes jewelry television, JTV, in its channel lineup? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can access JTV through YouTube TV. If you're a fan of shopping for jewelry or unique gemstones, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not include jewelry television, JTV, as part of its channel offerings. JTV is a niche shopping channel that focuses on jewelry and gemstones, and it isn't included in YouTube TV's standard package or any add-ons. If you're looking to watch JTV, you'll need to explore alternative options, such as using a live TV antenna to pick up over-the-air broadcasts, if available in your area, or subscribing to a service like Hulu plus Live TV or Sling TV, which may offer JTV depending on your location. Alternatively, you can visit JTV's website or download their app for live streaming. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV includes JTV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.